Lots of young entrepreneurs today jump into business blindly and wonder why they are not succeeding. There are certain things you must know before you go on your pursuit for business success. Welcome to our channel, FinTech. And today, we're going to discuss the principles to get rich with a business. Number 6. Develop as a leader and manager. It is not simply enough to be good at what you do and sharpen your skills. You must also learn to develop your managing and leadership skills. This is often very overlooked and, unfortunately, can cause a lot of problems in the future of your business. You might have a successful business, but no leadership or people management skills in order to make it better. It is not possible for you to climb the entrepreneur ladder unless you learn these two vital skills. Learn how to manage and accomplish things through other people. Learn how to lead and influence people with a clear mission and set an example for them to follow. Number 5. Execute, persist, and pursue continuous improvement. If there is one thing the rich and successful businessmen out there are good at, it's getting things done. Now that you have all of your ideas together, get started on your work. Once you begin, keep on enduring and striving to do better than the last time. Consider the Japanese concept of Kaizen, which means continuous improvement. Don't just be satisfied with where you are and get comfortable. Look for new methods, new systems, new resources, new capital, new markets. Be hungry in your pursuit and never stop going after what you want. With this mindset, you may find new niches, new partners, and even new opportunities that may not have been possible otherwise. Number 4. Be a people person and leave a good wake. Henry Cloud is the author that suggested that as we go through life, we are all leaving a wake behind us. On one hand, it's how you can make people feel, and on the other, it refers to our ability to get things done. It is important that we learn how to make the people around us feel good, seen, valued, and uplifted. If you truly want to be rich, then this is a very important part of your journey on the way up. You will have to be a good people person and learn how to get things done the right way. Number 3. Be aware and live in reality. If you want to really make it out there in the business world, then something you will have to do is be absolutely realistic. Chase what is real and true, and do not waste your time on fantasies. Sometimes this can be difficult, as it will make you face some harsh realities and take some very tough decisions, but that is exactly what will make you successful ultimately. Don't coddle yourself and let yourself be in a little bubble. Dare to go out there and seek the truth for yourself. Emotional intelligence is very important here, and if you're not familiar with it, then it's time to read up and learn something new. Number 2. Avoid debt and use it to produce income. The wealthy do not make the mistake of taking on debt that they cannot handle. Don't use debt the wrong way and keep paying interest. Rather, find ways to earn interest instead. Use even the debt to your advantage. Instead of spending those $10,000 on a boat you didn't need, instead, use it to buy an asset that will help in your business and that can be liquidated at any time in case emergency funds are needed. Number 1. Don't waste your precious time. Remember now that you are in the world of business, and here, time means money. This doesn't mean that you should not take some time off for yourself. It is important for you to take time for yourself, refresh, and recharge. However, don't waste your free time on things that will not add value to your life or do nothing for your business. You will not find wealthy people having a lot of time to waste, and the time that they do have, they put to good use. While you might be playing video games for hours, rich people are out there sharpening their skills, reading, learning, and doing better things with their time. Let that give you some perspective. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these principles are you going to implement? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.